Have you ever thought about what it would be like to live life without procrastination? Wouldn't you like to finish your vital projects well before imposed deadlines? Instead of being surrounded by unfinished projects, wouldn't you just love to get them done at rapid pace from start to finish so you have more time for fun in your life? Well, I think I can show you the way. I've studied many people like yourself and empathize with what you're going through. In fact, I used to procrastinate myself, except now I'm a retired procrastinator. Over the last 5 years, I've uncovered and worked out a bunch of proven methods that will aid you in beating procrastination. The single most important method vital to beating procrastination is exactly what I'm going to talk about in this video for you right now. So let's get to the action and beat that filthy thing beginning with P, procrastination, right now. The number one method to beat procrastination is this: change your language. The biggest thing procrastinators have in common is that the language that they use in their heads, their self-talk, is the same. They speak the same language, the language of procrastination, the procrastination language. And this language consists of words like maybe I'll do that project, or try, I'm going to try complete my work, hope, wish, if, tomorrow, I'll do my project tomorrow, or want to, but, and have to. This procrastination language is the destructive self-talk all procrastinators use themselves with inside their mind. It's dangerous, and it's the core cause of the majority of procrastination. This is not a language you want to be fluent in. In fact, it may be that you're fluent in it right now. What you must do to beat procrastination is unlearn this filthy language and replace it with the language of productivity. The key to replace procrastination language with productivity language, positive self-talk, is to use the words above and in your mind and replace them with positive words. Here's some examples. Instead of regarding what you have to do as work, or, right now I have to do work, right now I have to work on such and such project, replace that word with the phrase moving forward. Right now, I'm going to be moving forward with my new website. Similarly, there's the phrase want to. I want to finish my work. That is a very poor way of expressing that you've got something to do because there's no urgency about it. So instead of saying, I want to do some work today, communicate to yourself and other people, today I'm going to complete X, Y, or Z project. Next example, tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to get up and I'm going to work on my essay. Instead of using the word tomorrow, instead communicate accomplish. I'm going to accomplish 5 important things today. Next example, try. You could say to yourself, I'm going to try working on my new logo right now. Instead, replace that word with finish. I'm going to finish my logo. I'm going to make sure that that logo gets finished. I'm going to make sure that that essay gets done and finished and complete, and I'm going to accomplish the completion of that essay. Next example, wish. Instead of using the word wish, I wish I could complete my work today, replace that with I will complete my work today. Next example, hope. I hope that I can get my work done before my deadline. Replace that word with completed. I'm going to make sure that my work gets completed in time for my deadline, and it's totally awesome. Final example, have to. This is one which is very important because sometimes you've got things that are happening in the next day or the next week or whatever, and you say to yourself, oh, I have to go do such and such thing. I have to go to this lecture. I have to go to this place and see this person. Instead, communicate to yourself that you choose to. I choose. I'm going to choose to complete my essay. I'm going to choose to go to such and such place. Or you can even replace have to with get to. I'm going to get to finish my essay, which means that I'm going to finish everything I need to finish for this year's commitments. Oh, we've got 2 more examples. Second last example, if. If it doesn't rain tomorrow, I'm going to go running. Instead of saying if, communicate to yourself, I'm going running tomorrow, or even better, I'm going running right now. And so instead of saying, if it stops raining, I'll go running, say, I am going running. Final example is the word maybe. Instead of saying maybe, maybe, so someone asks you a question and it's like, maybe, is such and such project done? Maybe. Replace that with done. So if your project isn't done, respond with, I'm going to have it done within 5 minutes. And if it is done, it's done. Communicate done. So replace maybe with done. And that's our final example. And the key here is to get rid of those most dangerous words. Delete them from your vocabulary forever. Do this and you'll be on your way to beating procrastination at a rapid pace. pace. Discover how to beat procrastination once and for all by possessing an arsenal of 12 proven strategies that I've uncovered after 5 years of intense focus in the area of overcoming procrastination in various situations at buybyprocrastination.com. Thanks for watching. My name is Alan Kay, and if you've got any comments whether this video is hot or it's not, then I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.